So before start the actual project explanation, I request you please subscribe my channel. So you can see on the screen up till now I have uploaded more than 66 video on Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi with IoT, that is all this video. Then also IoT with Arduino, all this video are 26. And recently we started the new series on the PIC microcontroller. Before that I also cover the project on the Python web application. So if you want to learn Python, IoT, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, PIC from the scratch and from freely, then please subscribe my channel, please support me. And the most important part is whatever the code I have explained, whatever the project I have created on this YouTube channel, all these projects are freely available. You no need to pay anything for this project. So just if only point is you should watch complete video and you should follow my process. So if you want to learn something from the scratch and freely, then support me and please subscribe my channel and please click on like button. Hello friend, in today's video we will learn how we can design and develop a smart electronic voting machine project. So before start the next part, I would like to tell you I already designed and developed a three different version of this same project. So first version is face recognition technique with Raspberry Pi. So if you want that video, if you want to develop that project, then please watch that video. That video the video thumbnail you can see on the screen. Second version is a face recognition technique with Arduino. So if you want the same project with the Arduino with the face recognition technique, then please watch my Arduino video. The thumbnail you can see on the screen. The third version of this project is like that, the fingerprint sensor with the Arduino. The same project, electronic voting machine project, but with the fingerprint sensor and the Arduino. If you want that project, then watch my third video. The third video thumbnail you can see on the screen. So this is the fourth version of this project in which we are using the Raspberry Pi fingerprint sensor to do the electronic voting machine project. Okay, these are the some background of this project. Okay, before start the next part, I would like to tell you what will be the flow of this project so that you will get idea about each and everything about this project. Okay, let's understand the project flow. So you can see on the screen we have the Raspberry Pi 3B plus. You can use Raspberry Pi 3 also, Raspberry Pi 3B also. I use the Raspberry Pi 3B. You can use Raspberry Pi 4 also. There is no issue. Okay, then we have the fingerprint sensor, then we have the buzzer, then we have the I2C LCD. So flow of this project is like that. If voter want to give his vote, then first it will display on the LCD, please scan your finger. So once that message will display, then voter can scan his finger. So once the voter scan his finger from this fingerprint sensor, then he can give vote to any party by pressing any one of this switch. So let's say these are the three switch, consider the three party. So first party is NCP, then second is Congress, and then BJP. So let's say if the voter scan his finger from this fingerprint sensor, then he press the one switch, then buzzer will turn on, and here on the LCD it will show vote taken. Okay, then after that if the same voter again scan his finger, then buzzer will turn on three times, and here it will show on the LCD duplicate vote. So this system also avoid the duplicate vote. It will not allow any voter to give the double vote at the same time. Okay, let's say if in the our database there is a fingerprint database, if that voter database not found, that fingerprint database not found for the voter, then what happen, once he scan his finger, then buzzer again turn on three times, then it will show on the LCD voter ID not found or database not found, like this. So if there is a valid vote, then only one time buzzer will turn on. If there is duplicate vote or if there is a unauthorized voter, then three time buzzer will turn on. Okay, so let's say if the next time another voter come, then again he scan his finger, then he will give any one of this vote, like any one of this he will give the vote to any one of this party. So like this process will happen. So at the end if the admin wants to see the result, so directly what admin will do, admin will scan his finger. There is a one authority to give the admin. Once he scan his finger, then automatically on the LCD it will show the winner name. So this is the complete flow of this project. I hope you understand the complete flow of this project. Now we will see the practical demonstration of this project, and then we will see the hardware part, and then we will see the program part of this project. I will give this program to you. There is no need to pay any single rupees for this program. Hardware connection I will explain, so you can design and develop this project by yourself. Okay, now we will see the practical demonstration of this project. First, I will run the project. So, after I run the project, please focus on the LCD. It will show the electronic voting machine project name on the LCD. Then it will show scan your finger. So, focus on LCD. Now I will run the project. Okay, once I click on run button, then it can show electronic voting machine. Then please scan your finger. Now it is asking scan your finger. So let's consider I have registered all my finger, so each finger act as a one voter because I am alone in the room, so I don't have another person who can come and scan his finger. So you can consider each finger act as a one voter, and this thumb finger act as a admin. So once I scan the thumb, then it will show the result. Okay, so first voter come. So let's say first voter come. Here you can see please scan your finger. So first voter scan his finger. Here now it is showing give your vote. Now I will press the first switch. You can see vote taken, one time buzzer on. Now again I scan the same finger, so it will turn it will give three time buzzer, and it will show here duplicate vote. You can see duplicate vote, so it is not allowing to give the vote. Now let's say the second person comes, so second finger is this one. So second finger I will scan, then again it will show give your vote. So this switch I will press, vote taken. Now third person again come here, again give your vote, again I will give, so vote taken. So let's say third person again scan his same finger, so it will show duplicate vote. You can see duplicate vote. Okay, now fourth person come like this one, this is the fourth person. So fourth person again scan his finger. Now what I will do, I will press the middle one switch. So middle one switch is act as a Congress one. So two time I press the middle one switch. So Congress has a greater vote than NCP and BJP. Okay. Now I will scan another finger which database is not found. So this finger is not stored into our database. So I will scan this finger. So you can see invalid voter. Okay, now I will scan my thumb. So thumb act as a admin. So once I scan the thumb, it will show the Congress win. You can see winner name is Congress. So this is the complete flow of this project. I hope you understand the complete flow of this project. And now we will see the hardware connection of this project, and then we will see the programming part of this project. Okay, now again I run the project, and now this time we will press two times BJP switch. So it should display on the LCD BJP win. So again I run the project. So you can see electronic voting machine project name on the LCD, then scan my finger. So quickly I will do one by one scanning and press two times BJP switch. So first voter done, second voter, then third voter, okay, then fourth voter, now this switch for the BJP, I will scan my thumb. So you can see winner name is BJP. So project is working successfully. There is no issue. You just need to follow my video, and definitely you will design this project by yourself. Okay, now we will see the hardware connection. So you can see on the screen I have already connected LCD, buzzer and fingerprint sensor. I will not explain this connection again because that connection I have already explained in my previous video. The video name is Smart Attendance System Project by using fingerprint sensor. So please watch that video and try to connect fingerprint sensor, LCD and buzzer from that video, as it is connection I have used here. So I will not explain that here because it will take again time. Also try to install the I2C library and fingerprint sensor library from that video so that your project will run. Okay, only this video new part is this switch model. So how to design this switch model I will explain quickly. Okay, next we connect one circuit. You can see this circuit. So how I design this circuit I will explain here on this paper. So basically when you have this switch, each switch having 4 pins. You can see there are 4 pins on each switch. You can see clearly 4 pins on each switch. Then we use the resistor. You can use 1 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm resistor or 500 ohm resistor also, no issue. And then we require some buck strip for soldering to connect the wire like this. So I will show you the circuit what exactly. So basically you can see each switch having 4 pins low like this, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's consider this is the first switch. Now this pin switch, this is the here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 pin we have. So from the fourth number pin we have taken one resistor. You can see this is the resistor we have taken, and then the resistor next point we have connected to the ground. So this is the common ground. So this is the one part. Now pin this first number pin, consider the first number, not second, not third, exactly this cross connection. First number pin, it is connected to 5 volt. Here you can see this is the 5 volt. Okay, so this is the one pin connection, one switch connection. Now with the same repeat we have another switch connected here like this. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4 number of this switch. Then from the fourth again we have taken resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor or 500 ohm resistor. Now this pin is connected directly to the common. You can see common here, common ground. Ultimately it's connected to ground. Then this pin we have to connect to the VCC. So ultimately we have shorted this like this. Indirectly it is connected to the VCC. Okay, again we have the third switch here. Then third switch again having the 4 pin, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way from the fourth pin we have taken one resistor and shorted here. Okay, and then from the one pin we have connected like this, common VCC. So all these 3 pins are connected to common VCC. All these resistor 3 pins are connected to common ground. Okay, now in between fourth number pin and the resistor point, in between fourth number pin resistor point, in between fourth number pin and resistor point of each switch, there is one point out here. You can see in between this one point, then there is second point, and then the third point. So this point is nothing but the Arduino 2 number, 3 Arduino 4 number, 5 number and 6 number. So from this point we have taken one connection which is connected to Arduino 4 number, Arduino 5 number and Arduino 6 number. So I hope you understand this circuit. You can see this circuit like this, and very easy circuit you can easily develop on breadboard. If you want to develop on breadboard, please watch my previous video. In that video I have developed this circuit on the breadboard. Okay, now this is the final output of this switch, of this circuit. You can see same connection, each pin having common VCC. You can see this is the common VCC point, then this is the common ground point, and in between switch pin and the resistor, one pin out, one pin out, one pin out, which is connected to the Arduino. That's simple. Okay, so after you can see, once you have the switch model circuit diagram, there are we need 5 pins. So first point is you can see, so this pin act as a VCC pin. So VCC is nothing but this one, that should be connected to Raspberry Pi 3.3 voltage. As by using GPIO read all function you can easily identify which pin act as a which number, that I already explained is my smart attendance system project. So first number pin from the Raspberry Pi act as a 3.3 voltage, so I will connect this pin to the first number pin. Okay, this connection done. Now this pin act as a ground pin. Okay, this pin act as a ground pin. So from this ground pin, the Raspberry Pi 9 number pin act as a ground, so I will connect this pin to the 9 number pin. So 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, then after that, first switch pin, output pin, so each switch having one output pin, so first switch pin should be connected to 11 number. Then second switch pin should be connected to 12 number. Okay, and third switch pin should be connected to 13 number. Okay, this is very simple connection. I hope you understand the switch connection. Again I run the project in front of you. Okay, after I do the connection, I will again run the project in front of you, so that the switch model, whatever connection we did, it should show it is working. So I run the project, you can see project name on the screen. Then it asking scan my finger, so I will put my finger and just press any random switch. So vote taken and buzzer is ringing, so that means connection is working fine. Again I repeat, the connection for the LCD, then fingerprint sensor, buzzer, I have already explained in my smart attendance system project. Please watch that video. Okay, now we will see the programming part of this project. So very important part is you should download my program from the web page link. The web page link given in the description. So this program file you have to download, electronic voting machine project by using fingerprint sensor. So all these files I will give from that web. You can download these files from the web page link. Once you download, it will be the zip file. You have to unzip that one, and then you will get all these 4 files. So after that, here you can see there are the commands which you have to install. So all this command I have already explained in my smart attendance system project, how to install that command. So please watch my smart attendance system project by using fingerprint sensor, so you will get idea how to install this command. So there are some extra command in the smart attendance system project that use for the Excel sheet. You no need to install that command for this project. You have to just install 1 to 8 command you can see on the screen. Okay, the 3 command I have deleted from that file, so only you have to use this command. Okay, so once you watch the smart antenna system, you will get idea how to install this command. Okay, then after that there are another point you have to do. You have to enroll your finger. So how to enroll your finger by using this code, that also I told in my smart antenna system project. Also there are separate project fingerprint sensor with the arduino with the raspberry pi. Please watch that video and try to enroll your finger. And while enrolling your finger, please remember that whatever the admin finger you have to give, just remember that name. So once you enroll the finger, you can search the finger. Let's say if you want to search the finger id, that also I told in my fingerprint sensor video. So you have to watch some video to understand the fingerprint sensor module. Okay, so you have to remember the id number for that thumb finger or any finger which you want to act as a admin. Okay, then after that you can use this voting machine project. This is the main project of our this is the main file of our project, electronic voting machine using fingerprint sensor. So you can right click here, open with python 2. If you don't have the python 2, no issue, you can run with another method also. So currently I will explain with the python 2. You can use this one if you have this option here, python 2. Otherwise there are another option, you can go to the preferences and programming. Here also you will find the python 2. So from the python 2 you can open that file, just file, open, and go to that path and open that file. So this is the two way you can open this file. Okay, so once you open this file, you can see the program. Now I will explain the importance of each and every line from the program. So basically first library is time library. If there are some delay we want to give in our program, then we will use this time library. Fingerprint sensor library used for the fingerprint sensor. Then serial library, if there are serial communication are there, the fingerprint sensor also work on the serial communication, that's why we use this two library. This is also I2C LCD library, and this is the GPIO library for the buzzer and the switch. Then we are using the Raspberry Pi as a board, that's why here consider as the Raspberry Pi board. Then after that GPIO set warning to the false, so we don't require any warning from the GPIO pins, so that's why we consider as a false. So buzzer we have connected the 7 number, switch pin we have connected to 11, the switch 2 we connected 12, 13. So whatever the pins we use for the buzzer switch we define here, and all switch and buzzer pin act as a input and output pin, that's why we define here all these pins. Then after that we have the LCD model. You can see LCD model act as a 16 byte LCD, 16 column 2 rows, that's why 16 by 2 LCD. The IP address of that LCD 22. How to check IP address, that's also I explain in my LCD I2C Raspberry Pi video. Please watch that video if you want to understand deeply how this address is coming. Okay, then first it will print on the LCD electronic voting machine project. So it will print by using these 4 lines. There are some variables, so very important variable is this one, admin fingerprint number. So my finger thumb number is 0, that's why I given is 0 here. Okay, here you can see my admin thumb finger is 0 index. If you want to change the number, you can easily change the number by this line here, if you want to give any other finger number also as per your choice. So after that here fingerprint sensor connected to serial terminal. This is the serial terminal that we use, and this is the baud rate. Then after that, if the fingerprint sensor connection is not correct, then you will get this message, fingerprint sensor not initialized. So that means you did not connected fingerprint sensor properly, or something is missing. So make sure that you should follow my every video in detail to identify your fingerprint sensor. So I should give advice, you should go with the step by step video. First you watch the fingerprint sensor video, then watch the I2C LCD video, try to enable that one, and then only come to this video. So like that you can go one by one, and then after that smart attendance system video. So likewise you can go with the flow. Definitely you can design this project by yourself. Okay, then after that it will show on the LCD, please scan your finger by using these 4 lines. Then it will check whether there is already fingerprint image is loaded or not. Then it search the template. Once you place the finger, then it will give the position number of that finger. If the thumb finger or any finger database not found, then it will give -1 in the result. Then we are printing on the LCD invalid voter, and then buzzer will turn off 3 times. Then again if the same finger comes, let's say, so let's say if the valid voter comes, then what it will do, it will come into the else part. Then else part, what it will wait for till vote is given. It will continuously printing on the LCD, give your vote. That means till switch is pressed, it will print on the LCD, give your vote. Okay, then after that GPIO.input, it will take the status of each and every switch from here. If the first switch pressed, then BJP count will be increased. If the second switch pressed, then BJP Congress count will increase. If the third switch pressed, then the NCP count will be increased. So like this, for each switch having one Congress uh, one political party here count is there. So you can see we are taking the status from the switch, and according to that we are increasing the count, and here we are changing the value vote given to the true. So once the vote given to the true, then this while loop will be break, because this condition will be false. Okay, once the vote given, then it will print on the LCD vote given, and buzzer will be ring one time only. Then our old position number is equal to our current voter number. So here in the else part, here you can see I am checking whether, let's say if the again same finger will scan, then old position number and current position number is same. If the same, then I am printing duplicate vote, and buzzer again print three times. So this is the basic idea of this project. I hope you understand the program part of this project. And if you want to run the project, just click on run and run module from here, and if there is no error in the fingerprint sensor, then it will show on the LCD. Like I can see on the LCD, it will showing scan your finger. I can show quickly to you. You can see scan your finger, please scan your finger is printing there. So that means our project is working, there is no issue in the okay. So this means your project is working perfectly. Now the another way you can run the project, that also I told in smart arduino system project, but I will explain here again. Just go to this terminal window, and here you can type cd. So once you type cd, just go to the example, copy this path, and go to terminal window again, paste and press enter. Then again here type python. So once you type the python, and then you can give the program name, rename here, copy this name and paste here and press enter. From here also you can run the project. Once there is no error, it will start running the project. So in this way you can run this project by yourself. I hope you understand the complete project flow. I hope you understand the hardware connection. You can run this project by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can contact me at any time on my WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number given in the description. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, if you like my content, please click on like button. Please subscribe my channel. Please support me. Thanks for watching this.